All right, honey, let's head out. Okay, so Dollar Tree have some new items. I need you guys to really, if I deliver, okay, I just want to know, okay, because, in my mind, I deliver and ask words to the mother and the brother, but I just need to know, Linda, okay? Listen, amazing items. Check this out. If I deliver, put it two in a chat. Two. I'm going to have you move your feet to the beat out in these streets. Okay, that's one thing I'm going to do. I'm going to deliver and ask words to the mother and the brother. Did you see these? Okay, so these are Father's Day cards. Honey is as tall as me, but that's neither here nor there. Okay, these cards, I believe they, $3. Jumbo cards. Get into it with the shade. Honey, you know what it is? It's the collar shirt for me and the shades. Honey, and a palm tree. Child, this is cute. Let me show you what else they have. Check this out. Okay, so to the fathers out there that says, everything is pretty much about Mother's Day and you don't really see too much exciting things for Father's Day except for twos. Okay, honey, I heard you. All right, look at this card. Relax and enjoy this day. You deserve it. Absolutely love this. This is so cute. They have a few of these. They also have the one with the trophy. Get into it. Happy Father's Day. Number one dad. Oh, I absolutely love this. This is so cute. This is your yearly reminder of what an awesome dad you are. Oh my goodness, honey, not me about to tear up. Oh, honey, get it together. They also have World's Best Dad over here with the rocket. This is really, really cute. And like I said, these cards are $3. These jumbo cards, they have the envelopes. Honey, and let me tell you something. If you can't give one of these cards a jumbo card, make sure you put in some jumbo duckies in here. Like in the words of my grandmother, she would say duckies. Duckies means money, okay? Don't be a cheapskate, all right? Now, Dollar Tree also have these mugs over here. These are $1.25. I like this. I don't know, for some reason, it's giving me like Indian vibe. For some reason, I don't know, okay? But these are really, really cute. I absolutely love this. And I'm talking about the Indian, the ones that would have the hat. What would you call them? My father was half Indian, and I know a lot of you guys say, well, black people always say they got some Indian in them. Okay, all right, honey, if I'm lying, I'm flying. All right, now they also have these mugs over here as well. We've seen these, and then they also have these white ones. Absolutely love the basics. Sometimes, being a plain Jane is okay. Sometimes, honey, you know me, I love things that is going to make a pop. Man, you get what I'm saying? I'm just like that. They also have these bowls over here that will go with the mugs, $1.25 as well. And then they also have these turquoise bowls, $1.25. Honey, lights, Dad. Peace, family. So I wanted to come on here and share this with you guys. So every now and then I have these moments like overjoyed with gratitude, right? And that's the only way I could explain it. So much so that sometimes I may be talking to somebody and I just start crying. And it happened today. So today, I went to the Dollar Tree and I wanted to insert this clip in because I don't want my content just to be about Dollar Tree hauls, because, it's messages that I receive, downloads that I receive from God that I have to put inside the video. And sometimes I'm like, oh my goodness, I don't know, right? But one of the things that I'm understanding is trust. Okay, trust. Is some people that may need this message, okay? Is some people that may not need this message. And the people who don't need this message, you are more than free to click off at any given time. I went to Dollar Tree today. First of all, I had got a download to go to Dollar Tree. And at first, I was like, man, then it was a part of me. I visualized about me shopping, and I said, oh no, I'm getting up, right? I went to bed fairly late this morning. I was uploading, I think, until like 2-something a.m. And so that chatter was talking, don't go, and all this other stuff. So I get to Dollar Tree, And I'm doing a video, and it was this lady, this older lady came up to me, older white lady named Sharon. Oh my goodness, such a beautiful soul. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And I was doing a video, and she had came down the aisle, and she said, try this, and it was the nasal thing for your nose. And I was like, no. And she was like, oh my goodness, it's so good. Her hair was absolutely gorgeous. She had like gray and black, sort of like mine, the salt and pepper. And I just started talking, and she was like, do you like this? And I was like, yeah. I said, every time I do these hauls, my inner child comes out. And I just started crying, and after that, she was like, oh my goodness, I guess I kind of, like, she ain't know what to say. And then she said, I have this lipstick, because she seen my lip color, and she was like, I have these lipsticks, they Chanel, they designer, and she said, I have never used them, they brand new. And she was like, do you mind if I get those to you? And I was like, yeah. Now, I know some of you guys, you may be like, oh my goodness, right? Let me tell you something. I want you to listen to this. If there's no enemy within, the enemy outside could do no harm, okay? And so she said, well, I'm going to talk to, the guy, the store guy. And she said, I'm going to see if I could, probably drop them off, whatever. And me and her just started hitting it off. And we got on the topic far as letting go. And it's so crazy because in the beginning of my video, this is an inserted clip, okay? But the beginning of my video, I talked about surrendering and letting go. Sometimes in life, you don't have all the answers. There's many times in life, you just not going to have all the answers. And as long as you feel like I have to figure it out, I can't let that thing go, the more you are tense, the more you are actually resisting the answers coming to you. So I want you to understand and get that all of us, and these are things I said to lovely Sharon, all of us are doing the best that we know how. I want you to understand that you are loved. Just in case if you feel like you are not loved, I am here to say you are loved, and you matter, you are enough, and you are absolutely beautiful. And with that being said, let the clip roll. Family, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand it's going to get better once your perception gets better. Today, we are at the Dollar Tree near me, okay? Listen, your life is going to get better. It's going to get better. I know you may not know how, but I am here to tell you it's going to get better. You do not have to worry, okay? And worrying is really not going to change it or fix it, okay? But it's going to get better. When you start letting go, surrendering, things are going to start working out in your favor. But as long as you are uptight and you feel like you have to make sure things in your favor, honey, sometimes you just got to let go, okay? Now, we're going to see if Dollar Tree is going to have us move our feet to the beat out in these streets. Let's see if they have anything new inside. Let's go. Now, when it comes to the wallpaper, now I know some of you guys, but this wallpaper is fancy. This is, honey, you gonna tell me this not cute? This is $1.25, and it's all the way you hook it up. Okay, because I used to say that. I used to be like, oh my goodness, Dollar Tree stuff, it looked kind of cheap. I used to say that until I seen one content creator in the cart, okay, who is on YouTube as well, who do Dollar Tree hauls. She had showed these mugs that she got from Dollar Tree, and I said, oh my goodness, they are so cute. So it's all according to how you hook it up. Like this is giving me luxury, with the hint of gold in here. Honey, you gotta know how to do it. All right, now this one is on a bland side. I don't know too much about this, but these two, my cup of tea. Love this. Now, if you're looking for some summer fun, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. Item of the week. Ooh, Dina the MC. Oh, yeah, I'm delivering. Now, Dollar Tree has this water ball sling shooter. This is $1.25. This is cute. I like this. They also have the jump ropes over here. And I always tell you guys about the jump rope. Who remember Double Dutch? Okay, honey, I will smoke you in some Double Dutch. Okay, yes. Now, they have this Disney Stitch jump rope, $1.25. Absolutely love this. So I'm in here for about 2 items. That's it. And it's really ice cream. Okay. Just 2 items. That's it. Now, honey, we gonna get into this and do this. All right. I'm gonna deliver. Let's go. Okay, so other items that Dollar Tree has when it comes to summer fun, they also have these bubble play sets that has like about 4 bubble wands. Okay, this is really cute. $1.25 for the children. They come in different colors. They have the red and also the pink. Honey, it's beach time. Okay, honey, we building the sand castles. Okay, these are $1.25. This play set right here. Absolutely love this. Sand toys. Love this. And then they also have some more over here. These are $1.25 as well. These are sand molds. Okay, 4 pieces. Really, really good. So as I was walking, I seen this jointed cutout, this umbrella. I don't know what you would use this for, but this is calling me. This is $1.25. Absolutely love this. Now, you also know Dollar Tree has these banners. Honey, I would like to say this would be really, really good for like a tiki party or something like that. If you was having one, make sure you send me the invite. I'll be there. They have this banner, $1.25. It has the ice cream cones, the pineapples. This is really, really good. Honey, also the pina colada. You know, I like me some pina coladas. Okay. They also, pina colada. They also have the DIY wind chimes over here that you can paint. You can make it. You know, honey, you're a creator last time I checked. So get to create. And these are $1.25 as well. Wall decor. These are really, really cool with the flamingos. $1.25 as well. Wooden beads garland. These are $1.25 as well. Listen, I am just as shocked as you. Okay. Dollar Tree is now selling Ant and Roach. Kills on contact red, $5.50. Okay. Honey, Dollar Tree has it. Okay. If you have a bunch of hair in your drain and you need to unclog it, make sure you guys come to Dollar Tree, okay? They has these drain rooters. Now, let me tell you something. I tell you guys all the time, I used to work at a hardware store. You are not going to get one of these for $1.25. Really, really good. Extends out when bent to hook more debris. Really good. $1.25. All right, so Dollar Tree has this. Let me tell you, they've been selling these like hotcakes. The Nourishing Cream Shampoo formulated with shea butter, $3. And then they also have the Moisturizing Cream Conditioner, $3 as well. Honey, I don't know. You know, honey, I love my hair. Okay? Honey, I love my hair, all right? Ooh, child, they says compared to Cantu sulfate-free hydrating cream conditioner. You know, I don't like judging things based upon one thing that I tried it was a few of them that I tried. But let me know if you guys use this. Now, Dollar Tree also had, this is cute, the 5-piece spiral and elastics. These are nice. I like these. Okay, so they come and they have the pink ones and they also have the purple. Absolutely like this. Really, really good. Also, remember Dollar Tree has the beauty palettes. These are $1.25. They come in 2 different colors. They have the pink and also the purple. This is good for mixing custom nails and also cosmetic colors. Another hot item is the Soothing and Cooling Face Stick. These are $1.25. Now, when Dollar Tree first put these out, honey, they sold them like hotcakes. Okay, as you can see, they have like about 5 boxes. Okay, this is how fast they be selling. All right, family, so let me get what I originally came here for, honey, and be on my way. Okay, let me see. Oh, child. All right, so I know I said 3 things, but I'm gonna just go ahead and get these for my children, okay? These chips Ahoy. I'm gonna get 2 packs of these. Honey, this is, all right, this is 6. Okay, honey, let me be on my way. So also I am going to get the strawberry shortcake. If you know, you know. Ooh, this looks new. Breyers, s'mores. Okay, now I really don't care for any other ice cream. Like when it comes to this or the pints, I like Haagen-Dazs. Okay, that's like my thing, like a chicken wing. But in this case, when it comes to these, I like these. But Breyers, I don't know, honey. So we gonna grab 2 of these.
I'll jump off the bridge.
All right, family, make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourselves. Let me know what was your favorite item. You know, I absolutely love, and I say this all the time, I love the fact getting items for my children, you know, even if I gotta use the EBT card, okay? Absolutely love getting them stuff. So you guys keep on going, keep on growing. Until next time.